Hey y'all, I'm Amos Hummel. We're in my studio today, and there's been a lot of interest in copper bracelets lately, particularly the pretty little one that I'm wearing. It's made from 3 strands of electrical copper wire. You probably have some in that mysterious drawer in the kitchen with all the tools and all of that. So just some basic single strand copper wire. Okay, that's what these are made out of. And we twist 3 strands of this stuff together to make this little somewhat adjustable bracelet. And then I put some rubber caps on the end after I sand them, just so it doesn't poke you. So I've got my wire, and you'll only need a pair of pliers for this project and a pair of wire cutters. So I take my pliers and strip the wire. If it's difficult, you can use your wire cutters to pull the stuff off. Anyway, find a vise. You can clamp your 3 ends there and put your other 3 ends in a drill. You might want to put on some safety glasses or something for this, just so it doesn't bounce out and pop you in the eye. And then we just twist it. Now you can do this with the pliers. Get a buddy to hold one end and you hold the other and just twist, twist, twist. Or you can knock it out with this. Don't go crazy, that's plenty. Next, I want to cut that end off. Alright, find a tube. We're going to bend it and shape it now so it'll go on our wrist. I'm just going to grab this vacuum cleaner tube here. Alright, then we're just going to take our wire and hold it and go around gently. Try not to poke yourself. Now, your wrist isn't perfectly round, so don't worry about trying to make it perfectly round. Alright, there you go. That's going to fit most wrists. And so we're going to mark that there. I'm going to mark it with my thumb. Or you can get a handy dandy Sharpie and mark it. I'm actually going to back up a little bit here and cut it there. Alright, we're almost there. Almost finished. Now you might want to do a little shaping here with your pliers. Kind of bend that down a little bit. Round it up. Now, it might be a little bit of an edge to that. So you can take a piece of sandpaper and just get those burrs off of there, those little sharp points. Take your time. Be patient. You don't want it to be sticking into your wrist. So then the next thing I'm going to do to make sure that doesn't unravel or poke me, I'm going to get a little cup of water to do this, get my fingers wet, and I'm going to take my glue gun. And then what I'm going to do is, after I've sanded that, so I'm going to put a little drop of hot glue on there, like that. And then I'll stick my fingers in here and just shape that on there nice and round. See, now I have a nice wide, round, smooth cap on there. And we'll step and repeat the other end. Not too much. Wet my fingers. Try not to use spit. It's not the same as water, really. Alright. And that cools almost instantly. And there you go. Now I've got 3 shiny, pure copper bracelets. So that's a fun little project. Make them for your friends, make them for your family. And Google copper. See what you find. Thanks for joining me. I hope you check out my art site on hummelstudios.com and support your local artists.